If you are a small business owner, you are probably doing everything yourself. You answer emails, send invoices, follow up with leads, post on social media, manage customer service, and still try to grow revenue. That constant pressure drains your time and your energy. AI automation is not about replacing you. It is about freeing you. Imagine your business handling repetitive tasks automatically while you focus on strategy, sales, and profit. AI can respond to common customer questions, organize leads, schedule appointments, track inventory, and even send payment reminders without you lifting a finger. The goal is simple: remove low-value tasks so you can spend time on high-value decisions. Many owners think automation is expensive or complicated, but most tools today are affordable and beginner-friendly. You do not need to be technical, you need clarity. Start by identifying tasks you repeat every day or every week. Those repetitive tasks are your biggest opportunity. When you automate small things first, you create breathing room, and breathing room gives you power to grow. The smartest way to begin with AI automation is step by step. First, list your most time-consuming tasks. For many small businesses, that includes responding to FAQs, sending follow-up emails, onboarding new customers, generating reports, and tracking payments. Next, choose one area only. For example, you can set up an AI chatbot on your website that answers common questions 24 hours a day. That alone can reduce customer service workload significantly. Then, automate email sequences for new leads so every inquiry gets a professional follow-up instantly. Connect your invoicing software with automated reminders so late payments decrease without awkward conversations. Use AI tools to summarize financial reports so you understand your numbers faster. The key is integration. Your tools should talk to each other. When your CRM, email system, payment system, and marketing tools are connected, your business becomes more efficient automatically. Automation does not remove control, it increases control. You design the system once, and it works for you every single day. Automation changes how you experience entrepreneurship. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you begin to feel organized. Instead of reacting to problems all day, you start planning growth. AI automation gives you consistency. Leads are followed up on time. Customers receive clear communication. Data is tracked properly. That consistency builds trust, and trust builds revenue. But remember, automation is a tool, not a strategy by itself. You still need clear goals, strong offers, and financial discipline. Use AI to support your systems, not to replace thinking. Review your automated workflows regularly. Measure time saved, revenue improved, and errors reduced. Even saving 5 hours a week equals over 250 hours a year. That is real leverage. Small business owners who adopt automation early create an unfair advantage. They move faster, operate leaner, and make smarter decisions. If you start simple, stay consistent, and automate intentionally, your business will not just run. It will scale with structure and confidence.